Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a quick tip video that is going to show you how you can make your computer boot faster using a utility called MSConfig. MSConfig stands for Microsoft System Configuration Utility, and it is automatically included in every version of the Windows OS, and there is no need to download or install it. So a little bit of background information. Upon booting, hidden programs, whether you know it or not, begin to run. Some of these programs are essential to have open, however most of them are not. By unchecking these non-essential programs in MSConfig, you're going to allow your computer to boot faster and crash less often. So let's go ahead and open MSConfig. What you're going to do is go to the Start menu, the search bar, and type in MSConfig. And as you can see, is the first result under Programs. Go ahead and click on it. And depending on your administrator settings, you may need administrative access to get into it. Okay, so here is the main window for MSConfig. As you can see, there's 5 tabs. However, we're only going to focus on the Startup tab. The Startup tab lists every startup item that starts to run upon getting into the OS. As you can see, I have a wide variety of startup items ranging from Intel Corporation all the way to Microsoft Corporation. Now, if you're not really sure what programs to keep checked off or maybe keep checked, I recommend doing a simple Google search. However, you're going to want to tend to avoid programs that look like they come from Intel or Microsoft. There's something that looks like a manager or a client for a utility. And again, if you're not sure what to check off or keep checked, again, I would definitely use Google, as that is a great resource. For example, I have a GeForce Experience startup item that is in relation to my graphics card, which is the EVGA GTX 660. So obviously I'm going to want to leave that checked off. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the items that I have unchecked, which is iTunes, Skype, Virtual Clone Drive, and HP Imaging. These are 4 items that I do not use, and I have no need for them to begin running upon logging into my OS. So I went ahead and unchecked them. Now what I like to do is, if I download a couple new software programs in a day, or maybe a few every couple days, I like to revisit this utility and see if those programs have access to run upon booting. And if I need it, I'll keep it checked, but if I don't need it, I will keep it checked off. And by keeping some programs checked off, the ones you don't need, you are going to increase the boot speed for your PC. Now, for whatever changes you would make, you're going to have to click apply and then OK, and that'll save the changes that you have. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because I already have the changes that I want made for me, as I did this probably about 5 months back maybe. So again, I'll revisit this in the future when I get a few more software applications installed on my computer, but for now I am happy with the boot speed of my computer, and I can definitely tell you by just having these 4 programs unchecked, my boot speed has increased. So I hope I was able to maybe increase your boot speed by a little bit, or maybe by a lot. Leave some feedback in the comment section if I did. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to either comment or inbox me. Again, hope I helped, and have a good one.